Forget everything you know about theme park hotel stays, because Disney didn't just change the game, they reinvented it. Come along with us to Walt Disney World, and we're going to share our experience of staying at the most unique Disney World resort you could ever spend the night at. What are you doing?
You said we were going to Disney World.
I meant that we were going to share our experience and all of our video footage with the people watching.
So we're not going to Disney World?
No. Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge raised the bar when it brought zebras, giraffes, and 11 countries worth of beauty and culture, and they said, let's make a vacation out of it. Hey, those are my ears.
Hi, theme park friends. Welcome back to Casey's Corner Views, where we bring you the best tips, tricks, and insights to make your Disney vacation truly magical.
Let's rewind a little bit. On Earth Day, April 22nd, 1998, Disney opened its fourth theme park, Animal Kingdom, a celebration of wildlife, conservation, and the planet itself.
And just 3 years later, they said, let's build a hotel where people wake up to giraffes. Logical next step.
Opened on April 16, 2001, Animal Kingdom Lodge redefined the Disney Resort experience with over 30 acres of savanna, 200 plus animals, and 30 plus species, including giraffes, zebras, and Anacoli cattle. This isn't just a hotel, it's a safari with air conditioning.
Confirmed. Giraffes don't appreciate interrupting their breakfast either.
We stayed at Jumbo House. One half of the lodge, the other is Kidani Village, home to Disney Vacation Club villas. Our room, a standard 2-queen with rich, earthy colors, African design elements, and subtle nods to the Lion King.
Nothing says Hakuna Matata like a high thread count.
But the real star, that view. Every morning we opened the curtains to zebra, giraffe, and the sunrise across the savannah. It was peaceful, until Casey tried to name all the animals.
That's Gerald, that's Spots, and that's, that's Steve. Okay, so you can't talk about Animal Kingdom Lodge without talking about the food. It is some of the best food that you're going to find on property. It's African inspired, and it is not just dining, but a dining experience. Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge. Come for the animals, stay for the buffet, or sleep in a rocking chair. I did.
Boma is a buffet open for breakfast and dinner with unique African-inspired dishes and plenty of classic American favorites. Breakfast runs around $38 for adults and $23 for kids. We ate here one morning and started our day with pog juice, Disney's combination of passion fruit, orange juice, and guava nectar. Coffee brewed specific to this resort, and dishes like oak grilled tomatoes, babooti, ancient grain berry salad, and of course, Mickey waffle.
And a pro tip, bring stretchy pants.
For a signature experience, Chico offers upscale dining and an African wine list that rivals any Napa tasting room. In fact, Chico's collection of African wines is the largest outside the continent of Africa.
Kidani Village, we dined at Sanaa. Open for all meals, it features views of the Savanna and a menu inspired by Indian cuisine. Bread service here is legendary. 5 breads, 9 dips, and 0 regrets. Dinner entrees average $20 to $34.
And don't forget the Mara, quick service for grab-and-go items, morning coffee, and zebra domes. Whether you're staying at Jambo House or Kidani Village, you have access to both the pools, Jambo's Uzuma Springs Pool and Kidani's Samawati Springs. Both feature slides, hot tubs, and pool bars for mid-safari drinks.
Just me, a mojito, and a wildebeest in the distance. Peak vacation.
There's also a fitness center, arcade, and lots of cozy spots to sit, relax, and soak up the atmosphere. One of the most unique experiences here is the Starlight Safari, a nighttime tour across the savannah with night vision goggles where the animals are most active.
You can feel like James Bond, but with giraffes.
Space is limited and reservations open 60 days in advance. The best part, you don't have to be staying at this lodge to do the tour. Transportation to the parks is Disney bus only, no boats, no monorail, and sadly, no giraffe taxis.
I tried.
Buses run to all 4 theme parks, the water parks, and Disney Springs. One of the most inspiring parts of this resort is the art, culture, and cast members who share it. Many cast members come directly from African nations, and they're eager to tell you about their homeland, languages, and customs.
I learned more in one conversation here than I did in a semester of college.
If you're looking for a Disney resort experience that's immersive, peaceful, and completely unique, Animal Kingdom Lodge is a wild choice in the best way.
Come for the giraffes. Stay for the bread. Maybe leave with a new appreciation for African wines and flamingo nap habits. And please remember, don't feed the animals. Unless it's me, in which case I'll take another zebra dome.
Thanks for joining us on this journey through Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge.